Welcome back. Now the Midday Sports Roundup.
Quarterfinal action in the Issa Manning and the Costa Cup competitions gets underway this afternoon after being pushed back earlier this week. The quarterfinals were originally set to start on Tuesday, but the passage of Tropical Storm Rafael forced the organizers to postpone the matches to today. In the Manning Cup, 2 quarterfinal matches will be played this afternoon, including defending champions at Mona High and Jamaica College doing battle at the Stadium East Field starting at 2. In the second match of the doubleheader at the venue, Kingston College will face Tivoli Gardens at 4:15. Meanwhile, over in the Da Costa Cup, Monroe College will host Ocho Rios High in the lone quarterfinal match today. The other 3 games in the first set of matches will be played on Saturday, while the round will continue on Tuesday and Wednesday of next week and end on Saturday. Alzara Joseph has been suspended by Cricket West Indies for 2 matches following an on-field incident during the third and final one-day international between the West Indies and England at the Kensington Oval in Barbados. A press release from Cricket West Indies said the incident, which involved conduct falling short of its standards of professionalism, was reviewed in consultation with the coaching staff of the senior men's team. In the meantime, Joseph has issued a public apology acknowledging the incident and expressing regret. He has also apologized to Captain Shea Hope, the other members of the team, and the management. Meanwhile, Trinidadian fastball Terrence Hines has earned a maiden call-up to the West Indies T20 squad for the first 2 T20 internationals against England. 32-year-old Hines has represented the Trinbago Riders in the Caribbean Premier League. He has 11 wickets, including a best of 3 for 17 and an economy rate of 9.63 in the format. The squad also sees the return of Jamaica's Andre Russell and Trinidad and Tobago's Nicholas Paran, who had both opted out of the recent away series against Sri Lanka. Meanwhile, Captain Robman Powell and Brandon King are the other Jamaicans included in the squad. The series bowls off on Saturday at the Kensington Oval in Barbados. A replacement has been announced for Olympian Josh Curlew, as 7 swimmers have been named to represent Jamaica at the upcoming Short Course World Aquatic Swim Championships set for Budapest, Hungary. Vice President with swimming responsibilities at the ASAJ, Hilary Brown Nixon, spoke about the replacement.
Unfortunately, Josh is unable to take up the assignment, so the next athlete in terms of World Aquatics ranking has been offered the spot, and that's Nathaniel Thomas.
Kahim Lauza is the alternate named for the men's team. Sabrina Lynn and Jessica Caldebank are the women who will compete, as they have qualified by virtue of getting the B standard, while Leanna Wainwright and Emily MacDonald are the alternates. UK-based coach Mark Rose will head the team of swimmers, with Florence Williams as the team manager. The Short Course World Aquatics Championships will run from December 10 to 15. And that is it for your Midday Sports Roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.